Network topologies. The three main network topologies are bus, ring and star. A bus network rather looks like a series of bus stops starting with the main server. As you can see in the diagram, the terminator has nothing with it, but we have the server which then has one cable or a series of cables running to a series of workstations along the main cable. Also along that main cable are any peripherals such as the printer. The advantage of a bus network is it's very simple and cheap to install and extend. The failure of one node does not affect the rest of the bus network. The disadvantages is if the cable fails, then the whole network's failing. The performance of the network slows down quite extensively the more computers you have attached to it, and peripherals for that matter. A ring network is like a circle of workstations all connected one after the other. The advantages if it's a one-way system, so it's not affected by heavy traffic, so everything's going one way. The disadvantages are that any cable failure, again just the same as a bus network, results in failure of the whole network. You need to break the ring in order to add a new node, in other words a new workstation, and everything has to be switched on for the entire network to work. A star network starts with a server which attaches itself to a switch or hub with workstations all spanning out in a star pattern. This is quite similar to a client-server network where you have a server which goes to a switch and then branches out to various workstations. The advantage of a star network is you get the fastest performance. It's easy to install and expand with extra nodes, and a failure in the minor cables will only affect one node. The disadvantage is it uses the most cable, which can make it expensive in the end. An extra hub or switch further increases the cost. Star networks, when used as part of client-server networks, can be quite technical, and a network manager is often required in order to maintain that network. Part of a star network, or any network for that matter, in particular client-server network, involves things such as routers, hubs and switches. A router, as it says on the diagram, is a traffic policeman for data packets. It sends them on their way in the best direction, so it routes data packets in the direction to the workstation which is requesting it. Not all data packets go in the same direction, some will take different directions. A hub is a bit like a multi-plug adapter. It doesn't do anything other than route things off. There's no brain in the hub. It enables communication between devices, so it's a connector. A switch, however, is rather smart. It's a smart plug adapter. A switch can be programmed to deal with data in certain ways. A switch will reduce network traffic and increase speed.